Come with Everbless, travels on a chill Sunday, Devon House Family Day.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
Hey, Dr. Tape, subscribers you want rate, Everbless Travelers, welcome to another video. And today guys, is gonna be another thank you video. If you don't hear your name called, don't be offended. Everbless not going to call all the names because of the thousands of you who have been supporting Everbless Travels. Stay tuned, watch what go on. And today my people, we are in Kingston. Devon House. Devon House to be exact, my people. And we're gonna be strolling around and show you some of the beauty that this part of Kingston has to offer. So my people, I'm just walking through this place, and here, there and everywhere you have the entrepreneurs walk out selling their wares. You have bunks about in that section. The children are having fun there. So we head into the front gate to meet up with a special guest hailing from out of born and grew here in Jamaica, but now a resident of United States of America, and I'm gonna be linking up with a special guest again. So stay tuned, my people, and watch out for that. Yeah, man. So we're walking through the beauty of this place, yeah. So we're walking through a little later from now and showing them more bits and pieces. But one of the main purpose of this vlog, my people, is to come inside of here and to say a big thank you. Thank you so much, my people. Thank you so much for continuing to support Everbless Travels. Hey, Everbless Travels is taking you places. No joke. Go this way because I'm going through the main gate. Alright, so just walking through for you, my people. So I think so we're just walking through. This place is just nice, awesome. So my people, this is just bad. Devon House ground. So we go into the gate. Have small shops here where people sell their wares. Pick up yourself, princess. Alright, that thing come down. Well secure here, everywhere you turn. It's a security. And it's a free Wi-Fi. For real? Alright. So I said place come down, my people. So the playing area is all over the place. Here, there, and everywhere you have playing area. Yeah. And as I did say, talking about subscribers and supporters. Everbless Travels is celebrating today because of you and you and you and you and you, all of you who continue to support Everbless Travels. Everbless is celebrating today because of 3,000 of you are subscribed to Everbless Travels. Thank you. Thank you so much, my people, for your support. Everbless is saying salute to you. And I am, because of you, I am a happy man today. Keep subscribing, keep supporting others. Don't take it for granted. Don't take it for granted. Appreciate you, my people. Continue to subscribe to Everbless Travels. So, a bit of details for you, my people. On February 14, Everbless has come to this to say to you, my people, thank you for 2,000. And today, 6th of April, 1 more thousand of you have subscribed to Ever Blessed Travels. Thank you. Thank you so much for your continued support. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to Ever Blessed Travels. And we are celebrating today at Devon House. I'm going to eat an ice cream and say cheers to you all. So stay tuned for that as I await my special guest. I'm going to be reaching out and I'll be introducing my guest to you in short order. Stay tuned and watch where I go on. So my people, this is the show you heads up location. That is it. Devon House. 1 on the left, 1 on the right. So I'm gonna show you this one. Showing you the entrance. And you enter this way. And you have playground to the left and playground to the right. That's how I think I'm done with you. Yeah. So you have playground is more to that side. And I'll be waiting on my guest right here because I don't want him to get lost. Stay tuned. Some people. Mr. Ose Video Tours is in Jamaica. Welcome to Jamaica, my brother.
Welcome, welcome.
And you are linking up with Ever Blessed Travels.
Ever Blessed Travel.
For the first time.
For the first time, I'm here with Ever Blessed Travel.
Yeah. And we've been in and out of each other channels, you know?
Right.
But finally.
We've been supporting each other.
Yeah.
Like brothers. You know what I'm saying?
Some people.
Yeah.
We are, as we say, we're going places and as we go along, we show beautiful things, people and places.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So as I land in Jamaica from the cold weather.
Yes.
I took off everything, all the jacket and the sweaters and the socks and the shoes.
Yeah.
Getting some sun.
Yes.
How beautiful that
It is good. Welcome to Jamaica, my brother. Welcome home.
Welcome home, right.
So how many years since you've been away?
Over 30 years.
30 years?
Yeah.
But you're back and forth all the time?
Back and forth.
Okay.
I never leave home. Even though I'm in America,
yes,
I come here every Easter.
Yes.
That's my special time of the year, Easter.
Okay.
Yeah.
You interested in bun and cheese?
Bun and cheese? A small piece, not much. Are you a girl?
No, she when I was I forgot the camera is rolling.
Yeah.
She was giving me instructions as to how to hold the camera.
Oh,
so
okay.
I said,
so you're not driving? I'm on the wheel.
No, I was walking.
Oh, okay.
So I said, tell me your channel name. She said, I don't have a channel. So
she have a channel?
No, what you said, she watched your
man. I've been in Devon House in a while. I've been here about 4 years ago.
Yes.
We have a little get together with family. We come over and eat some ice cream or whatever. But it's been a while, you know. So it looks different to me. The entrances look.
Yeah, it kind of more modern.
It kind of like built up more.
Yes.
These places here and all that, you know?
Yes. And suppose if me honestly tell you straight now I first met him. What? First met him. Some of people, I'm not ashamed to say, it's the first me I enter this part of ground.
Yeah.
Didn't have no reason to come. All the time when the children was small, they always wanted us to come. But all the while we keep on putting it off until finally. Right. They all grown now and I know me I carry them when I grandkids time.
You see it? You never used to carry them when they were young.
So not done before the time.
Right.
But so and not only that, my brother. YouTube has allowed me to know so many places in my country.
Right.
And YouTube has also allowed me to know a lot of persons over the world because I've been watching all the channels and I've seen where the bits and pieces are different countries.
Right. So as we know, Ever Blessed Travels. This man is going to travel the world one day.
No joke.
This man will be going everywhere.
No joke.
I'm going to be the next Christmas list.
No joke. No.
I'm sorry. No.
Christmas list is, I'm not going to do the things Christmas will do.
I mean, in terms of going certain places, that's different.
Yeah. Christmas list. You are my motivator and my inspirator, my brother. But let me tell you, I'm not going to do the things that you do. But I want to travel the world and I want to travel with you. While you go someplace, I go another place.
Yeah, you're going in that direction. But I tell you the truth, in my Yaman TV, They were hanging out together
Yes,
down
yes.
in Tivoli one night.
Yes.
And Christmas said, come on. But the man said, no, I'm not coming.
Yeah.
You go. And the
Christmas
man
list-
walked all the way through the night.
No, let me help you here. Christmas Lee said, Nigel, this is my final night in Jamaica. We're going through the cemetery. Nigel said, I meet her on the other side. He said, come on, Nigel. We just had a drink together. Let us go to the cemetery together. Nigel said, I'll meet you on the other side. Nigel said, no.
Yeah.
Not in the middle of the night. He's not as scared of it.
No,
He's not scared of
nothing.
He's not afraid of Nigel is saying, I mean, not afraid of Duppy. He's afraid of we might meet up in
The live man.
Yeah, anyway, you can get a park.
Okay.
Some people. And a Sunday evening, this is how it looks. And because of YouTube, me able to come at Devon House. You know much years I should have been here. Some people, the beauty of my country continues. And I am linking up with
Ozzy Video Tour. Make
Tours.
sure you go to the channel Ozzy Video Tour.
Yeah.
OSSIE Video Tour.
Yes.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yes.
And don't forget, ever bless.
right here.
Right.
Some people, you've been showing me a lot of love. If you can take a good look, you can see that I am a very happy boy. My brother, I'm gonna say this. I am in a celebration mood. Today I hit 3,000 subscribers. And guess what? That 1,000 subscribers came from February 14 to today. So the numbers continue to grow. And who can I thank? You, all the persons who know
All
that
the support in
as,
the world.
as long as you click on Everblessed Travels, big thank you and continue to do that.
It's like a family day.
Yes, it is a family day.
The people come out.
People
with
just
their
come
kids,
out and have fun, yes.
Grandkids, wife, husband, you
Yeah.
name it. So they come out to have fun, eat some ice cream. Line is long though.
Yeah.
It's just ice cream alone themselves or they sell.
I'm not too sure how all the stuff that they sell, but I am sure.
I think I heard them sell fried chicken.
I think some small shops down that side.
Yeah, they
Where-
sell fried chicken.
So might be what we could do. Maybe we could take a walk and
Yeah,
see.
yeah.
Let's go this way. Hey. Hey. The children are having fun here, Matthew.
You can extend it if I don't want it too close to me.
Okay. Yes.
But you can you do it this way, people will see you more.
Okay. But I'm not worried about people. I'm worried about what I'm doing.
Sure.
Yes. So we're patrolling through Devon House, my people.
The Devon House.
Yes. And we're walking today with Ozzy Video Tours. Yeah, man. Yeah. A beautiful Sunday evening here.
Different places.
Yeah, where to find different areas.
Yeah.
Yes. Mahogany Tree Bar. Hey, I'd like to visit that bar.
Mahogany Tree Bar.
That's it.
Okay.
Yes. So we're going to. Oh, we're gonna walk through. We're patrolling, my people.
Let me see who's this guy here in the middle here.
Oh, this guy here.
I think there's a lot of history.
Yes, there's a lot of history here. We just have to take our time.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
Everblessed Travels.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Yeah, smell it.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. There's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the...
To them people we are with.
Mango man and the ball man.
Mango man and ball man, you?
Yeah.
So you're selling mango today?
Yeah.
So is it okay for me to call you entrepreneurs?
No problem.
Entrepreneur is persons who hustle in the street.
Yeah.
So like how you hustle your ball and you hustle your mango.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
And you're talking with Ever Blessed Travels.
All right.
Check out Ever Blessed Travels.
Yes.
And you get your big up this way. See it?
Big up,
All right.
yeah.
Yes. Where is that? So this is hold on there. This is the ice cream line.
Yeah.
Whoa! These people not gonna get served today. You guys are getting served tomorrow. Where is that? So walking to my people, we're going. Don't worry yourself, a Roma raisin. You have a problem with a Roma raisin? Should know. Devon House ice cream, right?
What a 10 how much you rate it? What a 10 how much you rate it?
Yeah, but I want your stuff.
Roman raisin ice cream? Never rang for me yet, you know? You know what kind of what they must about it, you know? My ice cream. So my people. So my people. Bro. So my people. For all of you who have continued to subscribe to Ever Blessed Travels, cheers. Everyone here is just hanging around and having fun. Yeah, that's it.
Mommy, see the door there?
We walked that way already, so we're gonna be walking this way this time. So this place is for the young and the old. No joke. And this in this area is the children are having fun in there.
Stay with Auntie. Stay with Auntie.
So we're walking through, patrolling through Devon House. Yeah. And as I said before to my people, we are hanging out with Azzy Video Tours. Yeah man, visiting from out of the US. Link up with Ever Blessed Travels for the first time. I'm a subscriber and a supporter for almost a year. Appreciate Azzy Tours to be here, my people. So I'm gonna be asking of you, my people, kindly, don't fight it. Subscribe to Mr. Azzy channel right there. I walk that way. We've been to that here already. Nice setting. And this hour of the evening, people are still rolling in. People are still rolling in, the people. So I might now be entering into the playground here. Yeah man. Show you bits and pieces as to how they play around, so you can see the vehicle them around you. Yeah. Nice. So we're walking through. We're showing the beauty of Devon House. There's a lot of history behind this place. Yeah man. Stay tuned, my people. Continue to patrol. Oh, the plane here start to get empty. you have shops here and everywhere. There's a lot of shops here. Shops like crazy. This one is a part of this one north. Top of the estate. And the bar there. So that area, my people, is hangout areas. People come and hang out in those areas. That, as it was, it's right there. Yeah, man. So my people, today we are with
Colian.
and Colian. Give me tell me what the name of your
Steakhouse on the veranda.
steakhouse on the veranda. Wow.
The veranda.
Yeah. So that's the name is cute. So let me take a little walk around my friend.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting
This is another beautiful store here. So you can place your order inside. It's a curry goat and burger. Inside. Yeah, man, I said things from other people. Nice place. Hi. Say hi. Stand up and not stand up. It's burger. This look like there's a gift shop right there. Nice. The shops are cute, you know. So this one is a pastry shop, my people. Devon House has a lot to offer. So when you come in this year, my people, you always will be able to find something, yeah man, to fit your taste bud. Devon House Bakery. Oh, there's a bakery here. Nice. I do.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we were at Devon House. I'll be coming to the end of this video. Hope you like the video. Ever blessed travels. Like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you guys in the next one. Just remember to love, respect, and treat everybody with respect. Peace, love, always.
Peace out.